An effective English sentence must satisfy two conditions. It must express a complete thought, and it must contain the grammatical structure required to convey that thought clearly. In practical terms, a complete sentence normally includes a subject and a predicate. The subject identifies who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate explains what the subject does, what happens to it, or what it is. When these elements align, the result is a sentence that is both understandable and syntactically sound. Consider the sentence, "The student studied for the exam." The student performs the role of subject, and studied for the exam serves as the predicate. The thought is complete, so the sentence is correct. A second example is Maria is reading in the library. Again, the subject Maria and the predicate is reading in the library together create a full unit of meaning. A third example is the river overflowed after the storm. This sentence is also complete because it tells us clearly what happened and to whom. A sentence fragment is an expression that looks like a sentence but fails to present a complete thought. Fragments may lack a subject, a verb, or essential information that would make the idea independent. For example, after the movie ended. Although the words are grammatically meaningful, the reader is left waiting for the rest of the sentence. Another fragment is walking through the park on a cold evening. This group of words suggests an action, but it does not say who is walking. A third fragment is because the test was difficult. Here, the word because signals dependence on another clause, yet the main idea never appears. Fragments can often be corrected by adding the missing part. After the movie ended, we went home. Walking through the park on a cold evening, he noticed the lights in the windows. Because the test was difficult, many students studied carefully. In each revision, the sentence becomes complete because the missing connection is restored. A sentence run-on occurs when two or more independent clauses are joined incorrectly without proper punctuation or a coordinating conjunction. A run-on is not merely a long sentence. Length alone is not the problem. The problem is faulty structure. For example, I finished my homework, I watched television. This contains two complete thoughts but no correct link between them. Another run-on is she loves science, she wants to become a doctor. A third is the rain stopped, the children ran outside, the playground was still wet. Each example combines independent clauses in a way that confuses the reader.